We know what a white bag means. We know what a white bag means. Time for another dose of unboxings. Hermes unboxings. Quick Hermes haul. We've got 3 bags from Paris. Very exciting. 3 bags, 1 video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick Hermes haul unboxing of 3 new bags. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. To be fair, one of these is Andrew's, one of these is a present, and then one's for me. So I'm only keeping one, but the present one will end up being mine anyway because I know. I may or may not have already unboxed these, but I had to rebox the present because I'm giving it to my sister today because we're finally both here in the same city at the same time, gonna be in the same place. I reboxed it and the other 2 were sitting in the bag with it because I never actually opened them since I got them. I don't know why Andrew hasn't taken his bag, but that's another story. I just had them all here, so I reboxed all 3 to unbox. So I don't know if I've already posted this video, so if I have, sorry. If I haven't, here you go. And if I have, we're gonna do it again because why not? Unboxing channel. So, unos, dosos, and deux, et trois. But this one I gotta rebox to unbox, so give me a second. Oh, good, I left the little ribbon on. Sometimes I do that where I leave it tied so that I can just put it back on to unbox and rebox. Oh no, wait, this isn't right. No, this isn't right. Okay, you know what, whatever, I don't care. We're just gonna do a short ribbon, okay? So 3, okay. I don't wanna rebox and unbox them 4 times, so I gotta do the TikTok version real quick and then we'll just come back and see them, okay? Yay! I already took off the ribbons for TikTok, but I will post the unboxings here somewhere. Will I post the unboxings here? Maybe I will, maybe I won't. This is the one we're giving to my sister, so I'm gonna unbox it right now and then rebox it. Oh, you guys remember I got this earlier this year with the intention of giving to her, but I haven't had the chance to. And also I know she's probably not gonna use that much, so then I get to keep it. And it's in this bean color, which I've been lusting after for in a Lindy or a Birkin or any other bag, but this will do for now. Lindy, nope. Picotin, palladium, nope. Gold hardware, in a bean. Barania footboard. Next, we have, I gotta rebox everything. Talk amongst yourselves. Really sweaty. Also, side note, Picotin's one of those bags that starts slouching very, very easily. That's why there's also bubble wrap in it. But I just got a bag insert for this that I'm gonna give her too from this company called Mai Tai, who I highly recommend. They're like luxury inserts from Paris, silk, nice quality. They have a collab with Jean Paul Gaultier. They have these really, really nice inserts for your Birkins, Kellys, Chanel bags, Dior bags, I think, and maybe Goyard. The thing is, like, obviously these luxury bags, you want to keep them as good quality. You want to keep them in the best condition you can. You want to take care of them so they last over time. And bag inserts, like I've always said, I love bag inserts, are really good for them, especially for Hermes bags, because that's the only part of the bag they won't repair, or the Hermes spa will not repair, will not touch. So a good bag insert, and these ones are silk, so they're like soft and luxurious and light and won't press too hard on the inside of the bag or leave a mark, kind of like the felt ones do, which I'm getting a mark on one of my bags too, so I'm really excited because I got a replacement for that. Anyway, I'll do a separate video on it, but just doing a plug because I have a discount code for 10% from Mai Tai. Unrelated to me using them, I've been using them regardless, but I reached out after that. Okay, so next we have, this one's Andrew's, so whatever, but it's been sitting here for months because he's more aloof than I am, and like forgot that he had it. So we have this one, which was supposed to be a summer bag, but which is still a good for summer bag for the summer. So it's blue with white and then green on the inside, and then it has a strap. That's a shoulder strap. You get the idea. It goes like that. Okay, and then last but not least, we have you know what this one is? My most favorite, most excited to use. Lindy in Barania footboard in gold. Or Fauve. Oh, look at him. He's perfect. Hello! Alright, well, that was my quick unboxing. Now I'm gonna rebox her. I might just post it here if I do, but anyway. Yay! Okay, that's all I got. These are all from Paris in a leather appointment. Very lucky, blessed. That's all I got. Okay, yay. If I've already unboxed these again, like I said, I'm sorry. I already have. I feel like I remember filming it, but I don't know if I posted it. So I don't know if I could find it, so I thought I would just refilm it and repost it. If that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. We hate it. Share with your next guys. I know you send it all, but I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.